What's up, guys? In today's video, I want to discuss with you how you can earn money here on GainGG as a beginner with payment proof. If that is something that you are interested in, then this video is for you. Okay, guys, so GainGG is a platform where you can earn money by taking surveys and completing offers on offer walls. And as you can see, they have quite a good range of survey providers and offer walls that are available, which will really increase the chances of you finding the right opportunity that will work for you. Now, first up, I want to go through the surveys, and I will be honest, some of these surveys pay really average in comparison to other platforms. Now, at the moment, there is one survey that pays 96 coins and takes 5 minutes, and also another one that takes 9 minutes and pays 450 coins. 1,000 coins is equal to $1. So obviously, the lower paying surveys won't be worth your time, but I have found sometimes there are surveys that pay a few dollars. Just be sure that you always answer each and every question that they give you truthfully, and also never rush through any survey. It's really an easy way to earn here on GainGG. Now, when it comes to the offer walls, there is such a great range that you can choose from, and some of these offers pay really well. For example, this one over here pays 23,933 coins, which means it's more or less equal to just over $23. And each of these offers comes with a set of instructions, and it's really important that you study those instructions very well in order to understand exactly what you need to do to earn. For this specific offer, it's going to be a game that you must play. They say here, play the game and complete various events in 30 days. The first event here pays 21 coins. The second event is 111 coins, all the way up to event 30, which is 13,455 coins. Now, here's the important thing that you need to consider when it comes to these offers. Sometimes these games take very long to complete, so my best advice is to find a game that you really like, play it, and then earn. Otherwise, if you play a game that you don't like, it won't be a fun way for you to earn. And guys, as I mentioned earlier, sometimes these offers pay really well. I've seen some of these pay over like $100, but still only do consider this as a part-time way for you to earn extra money online. This is not going to be like a full-time income. There are also some additional ways that you can earn here on GainGG, like there's a daily bonus, and this you can get once you have earned a certain number of coins. You can claim a bonus code. These bonus codes you can get from their social media, and there is a referral program. So if you know of anybody that would like to earn money by taking surveys and completing offers, you can then just refer them and earn extra money. How this works is you share your referral link and earn 10% of all offers completed by your users. Your referred users will also receive 100 coins as a welcome bonus. So this is basically going to be a win-win situation. Now, guys, when you want to withdraw your money, there are a few options that you can choose from, like PayPal, Bitcoin, Visa, and a few others as well. When you want to withdraw via PayPal, you're going to enter your email address, and the minimum amount needed is 7,500 coins. To take note, there is a 4% fee. They say it is a transaction fee charged by PayPal. And when you want to withdraw via Bitcoin, you must enter your Bitcoin address, and the minimum amount needed is 10,000 coins. There is also a 481 coins fee. So guys, it's really nice that you have more than one option that you can choose from. Okay guys, so here's my payment proof. I received $8.34 via PayPal. It did not take long for the money to reach my account. I think it was like 1 hour. Now when it comes to how long it took me to get $8.34 in order to be able to cash out, this took around 1 week. But I will admit I only worked around 30 minutes each day on GainGG. So it is quite a good amount of money when you consider I did not spend a lot of time working. Now guys, as I mentioned earlier, this is only going to be like a part-time way for you to earn some extra money. Do not expect big earnings. They are legit and they do pay based on my experience. Now guys, if you are looking for an alternative to GainGG where you can earn money in a very similar way, then you can check out Freecash. They give you some numbers here. They say 17 minutes and 12 seconds is the average time until a user makes their first cash out. $38 is the average money earned by users yesterday, and over $50 million is the total amount earned on Freecash. Now, when it comes to the different ways that you can earn, you can play games, earn per game $1 to $120. You can complete offers, earn per app $1 to $75, and you can also complete surveys, earn per 5 to 10 minute survey $1. Now, guys, some features of this platform is like they have the highest payouts and way more than on other sites. It's our goal to help you make as much money as possible. There's instant cash outs. Need your earnings now? No problem. You can withdraw them almost instantly, starting at $2. There's daily bonuses. Climb the daily bonus ladder, reach the leaderboard, or start a streak to earn extra rewards for free. You can also choose from many different options when you want to cash out, like for example Bitcoin, PayPal, and some others as well. So guys, if this sounds like an interesting alternative to GainGG, where you can also earn money by taking surveys and completing offers, then you can definitely check out Freecash. Okay guys, so in today's video, I discussed with you how you can earn money here on GainGG as a beginner with payment proof. Now guys, as I say in all my videos, please do your own research first before you sign up to any website or app that I mention here. Now guys, so that being said, I do hope that you have found value in this video. Please do consider liking and subscribing for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.